Hi guys, it's Football Cards Finland, and today we got 4 packets of the Champions League Nordic Edition. Okay, Felipe Melo, Frank Achiampong, Luisao, fans favorite Alejandro Dominguez, and Basel and City patch. Second pack. Maxi Pereira, Raul Garcia, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Pa Konate, Sead Kolasinac, and Asier Ilaramendi. Natko, Rafael Varane defensive rock, Kevin Prince Boateng, and Karim Benzema. And the last pack. Szczesny, Pereira, Garcia, Montero, and international star Sanchez, and master of Serna. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.